gets Alejo onto the ball quickly. It's Savai Padmanabh now. Savai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. Look at him. He's still in possession of the ball. Raising his mallet. Quick to turn onto the ball is Ramiro. Ramiro pinches it away. Ramiro takes a nice under the neck shot. Who's quick to get onto it? It's brothers Juan, but quick to turn once again is Siddhant now onto the ball. Looking for a backhander. Siddhant takes a cracking backhander. Who's there? It's Daniel Otamendi. Daniel gets onto the line. Ridden hard by Juan. But Danny gets the better of everybody, releases the ball beautifully. Nice little pass to Alejo, but before him is Ramiro. Ramiro pinches it away. Look at that ease with which these players are reaching the ball in no time. In between Ramiro and Alejo. Ball pinched away by Ramiro. Ramiro now on a flat out gallop. He's got Siddhant ahead of him. No, he's gone past Siddhant. Alejo pinches the ball once again. Coming closer to the grandstand is Alejo. Bouncing ball miscues. Ramiro overrides. Everybody overrides. It's Savai Padmanabh Singh there. And Alejo strikes along the ground and it goes right through, bisecting the goal into the first chukker. Already gone, 1 goal scored, but lots of action underway. Inamelli, quick to get onto the ball is Pratap. Pratap picks it away. Now he pitches it away on the near side. What a lovely work there by Pratap. Opening up his pony. Pratap goes helpful enough for that goal. Bouncing ball. Miscues it. Juan comes from behind. Juan takes a fabulous backhander. What a beautiful shot there by Juan. Who's there? Naveen Jindal is there. So is Ramiro. Ramiro picks it up, asking everybody to move up. Ramiro, he's being followed there by Juan. Juan backing him up. Pratap waits for him. Juan now pinches the ball away and on a flat out gallop towards the scoreboard side is Juan. Look at him tapping that ball on a flat out gallop. He's light. He's extremely independent in the saddle. He's very good. And Pratap onto the ball once again. Pratap, and so is Ramiro. Ramiro, look at him. Checks, turns, releases. What a beautiful play there by Ramiro. Who's there? Juan is there. Juan in the middle, and it is Savai Padmanabh Singh wanting to clear that ball on a harm's way, and Naveen Jindal scores. Ball thrown in, and that's Juan. Juan, what a lovely pass there by Juan. It's Daniel Otamendi there, pacing up. He wants to take a backhander. Juan anticipates, checks his pony, gets onto the line quickly. Superb bit of anticipation there by Juan Zavaleta. He's got Siddhant there. Siddhant, Savai Padmanabh. Siddhant gets onto the ball now. He has got Alejo ahead of him, but a lovely release there by Siddhant, and it is now Juan. Ball rolls over the back line. Alejo with the ball, taking the hit in. Alejo, look at the forwards getting into position. Both the players decide to go towards one side. Alejo still onto the ball, on a walk now, releases, puts the ball towards the far side of the ground. Quick to get onto the ball is Savai Padmanabh. So is Juan there. Juan Zavaleta wants to take a backhander. Ball pinched away by Daniel Otamendi. Nice release. Ramiro Zavaleta gets in front. He wants to take a backhander. Does a fabulous fake. Still in possession of the ball. One more fake. And he strikes the backhander this time. Quick to get onto the ball is brother Juan. Juan. And it is now Alejo in position. Alejo. No, Savai Padmanabh Singh. Savai Padmanabh Singh pinches. He's on a fabulous chestnut. Orange bandages, the ball still in a melee. Quick to get onto the ball is Daniel Otamendi. Ramiro releases. What a fabulous release there by Ramiro. Who's there? Siddhant is there to pick it up. Siddhant's got Alejo there to bother him. So is Savai Padmanabh Singh. Fabulous shot there by Siddhant Sharma. Going hell for leather for that ball is Savai Padmanabh and Ramiro. Look at them, both the 4 goalers batting hard for that ball. Ramiro gets the better this time, picks it up on the near side. Fabulous work there, and we have the umpire's whistle on that play. Awarded in favour of the Jaipur Achievers team. Nice release there by Alejo. Backhand attempted by Juan, and it is Daniel Otamendi. The ball stays there. Ramiro comes, takes a cracking backhander. Look at Alejo's anticipation. He stays there. He knew both the Zavaleta brothers are devastating. They could just pinch the ball away and gallop with it. Alejo is there. Alejo asking his forwards to get into position. Ramiro waits. No, that is Juan. Waits patiently for him. What a lovely release there by Alejo. It's Daniel Otamendi now onto the near side, leaves it smartly for Savai Padmanabh Singh, intelligent player between the players of the Jaipur Achievers team, and it is now Savai Padmanabh releases nicely to Daniel Otamendi, ball staying there. Backhander attempted by Ramiro, changing the pace of the game once again is Ramiro. Ramiro picked up by Siddhant. Siddhant opening up his pony now. Siddhant going hell for leather for that goal. Siddhant opens up on a lovely dog base. Siddhant, he's got Pratap on his tail. Pratap Kanota there to bother him. Siddhant leans out and takes a whack at the ball. Doesn't quite get the direction he wanted. The ball rolls over the baseline and out of play. The Jaipur Achievers team is Aleho. Aleho. Looking up for his forward, he's seen Pratap and released. What a fabulous pass there to Pratap by Aleho. Aleho passes the ball, lands 150 yards. Unfortunately, Pratap didn't quite capitalize on that opportunity. The ball goes towards the side, intercepted brilliantly by Juan midair and passed to brother Ramiro. Ramiro picks it up. What a lovely release to Siddhant. Jindal Panthers in attack. Siddhant looks back, he knows he's got time on his hand, he's got Ramiro on his tail, and the ball rolls over the baseline. Juan Zavaleta, now look at him coming closer to the grandstand, ladies and gentlemen. There they are, opening up. Look at that pace of that pony. Juan on that flat out gallop. He's got Aleho sticking to him. Juan paces up, lovely approach shot. Ball bounces, players override Ramiro, and that is Savai Padmanabh Singh taking his time. He is so confident. Look at him. Leaves it smartly for Daniel Otamendi and goes ahead. Daniel releases. What a lovely pass to Savai Padmanabh Singh right in front of the grandstand. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. He checks, bouncing ball, picks it up, once again picks it up, playing hockey rolls back and releases. First time the ball going all the way, but miscued. Releases, he I think looks out for his brother. That is Juan onto the ball. Juan, once again, he's got Siddhant backing him up. Juan stands on his stirrups and releases a lovely pass to Mr. Naveen Jindal, but it is Savai Padmanabh Singh with a backhander returned with compliments. Thank you so much. It's Aleho now, picks up Aleho. But it is now Aleho on a lovely looking grey. Aleho releases a beautiful shot once again by Sek. Ball thrown into the melee, and it is Daniel Otamendi. Quick anticipation by Danny. He wants to take a backhander. It's a nice lofted one intercepted by Siddhant Sharma. Ball still in a melee. Nice pass to Savai Padmanabh Singh, who picks up a bouncing ball on a flat out gallop. Look at Savai Padmanabh Singh going hell for leather. It's Ramiro there. Ramiro brings the ball through the stands. Ramiro, confidence personified. Both the players battle hard for that ball. Oh, Savai Padmanabh gets the better of him, pinches it away, and he's galloped with the ball. He's got Siddhant there, but what a beautiful release. The ball is travelling all the way towards the Jindal goal. Unfortunately, once again miscued a little. There is Ramiro. Ramiro releases. Picked up by Siddhant towards the scoreboard side. It is Juan now. Juan Zavaleta. Nice release there by Ramiro. Ramiro intercepted by Aleho. Aleho overrides, bouncing ball. Siddhant picks it up. Who's there with him? The ball travelling closer to the Jaipur Achievers goal, in front of the goal mouth. Could have been. Sharma is going to attempt that penalty. Siddhant leans out and takes a tonker of a shot. What a beautiful shot. Aleo's pony intercepts. One is there. One Zavaleta. He's with the ball. He's got Daniel Otamendi sticking to him. Ramiro pinches. It's one. Leaves it smartly for Savai Padmanabh Singh. Savai Padmanabh Singh releases. The ball reaches near side. Alejo. He's got one there. One and Alejo. Siddhant pinches that ball away. Finds an opportunity. Pinches that ball away. 60 yards away is the goal. Look at that ball fly high and mighty. Ball to be thrown in a melee right now. Picked up by Juan Zavaleta. Juan onto the ball. He's got Danny sticking to him. Juan still getting the better. No, leaves the ball for Siddhant. Siddhant now releases. Hits Alejo or his pony. The ball doesn't quite travel the distance it wanted. Pratap goes for a near side backhander. Doesn't get the shot he wanted. And it is Alejo now. Alejo, no, it's Siddhant. Siddhant on a flat out gallop. He's going hell for leather for that goal. The ball dangerously in front of the goal mouth. Rolls over the back line. The second fastest game on earth. A couple of goals here and there can be scored in a matter of seconds. Oh, Padmanabh releases. And in the lead by 3 goals to 2. Strikes once again high and mighty, and the ball still travelling the goal. Right from the throw-in, distraction and damage. One. Along the ground. The ball rolls over the back. His cue play. He strikes. A lovely pass there to Savai Padmanabh Singh. But before that, it's Siddhant onto the line. Picked up nicely by Savai Padmanabh. Savai Padmanabh on a faster pony. Opens up. Tapping the ball. Still in possession of the ball is Savai Padmanabh Singh, who's backing him up. It's Daniel Otamendi now. Dependable Danny. Comes from behind. Picks up that ball. Danny still in possession. Leans out. Pick up the ball on the near side. Difficult play executed with great finesse, but cleared once again out of harm's way by the Zavaleta brothers. That was Ramiro this time. And Juan comes and takes a cracker towards the spectator stand. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the players once they come closer to you, but they have decided to turn and run away towards the Jindal Panther goal. It is Daniel Otamendi. Daniel Otamendi. Danny releases, leans out now, wants to take on to the next shot. Still in possession of the ball is Daniel Otamendi. A backhander attempted by Ramiro. Ball in a melee. Quick to get onto the ball is Alejo. Clear out of harm's way once again, and it is Pratap goes for a backhander, cracking one at that. And in the end, Ramiro, patience pays and anticipation benefits. It is nice work there by Ramiro. Backhander once again attempted by Savai Padmanabh. Hits one, and the ball comes to the center of the ground. Backhander attempted by Daniel Otamendi. Doesn't quite get the shot he wanted. I could see a mallet also flying. And now it is Savai Padmanabh Singh. No, it is now Pratap Kanota onto the ball. Pratap Singh opening up or going hell for leather for that goal is Pratap. Unfortunately miscues it. Ramiro takes an open backhander. Clears the ball out of harm's way once again. The game is moving at breakneck speed. It is Daniel Otamendi now. Danny, he's tapping. Danny, now he's headed, determined. Danny wants to go and score, and he scores. Outstanding goal there for the Jaipur Achievers team by Danny. Captain handed over his mallet to Juan to be more effective. Alejo releases, takes a tonker. What a fantastic intercept. Savai Padmanabh picks up that ball. Savai Padmanabh Singh in attack now for the Jaipur Achievers team. He's got Ramiro there on his side. Here is Savai Padmanabh, wristy work. Nice pick up there. He goes towards the far side, has to slice it a little. No, he decides to tap, stop. He's got the opponent there. Alejo behind him, backing him up. Look at Juan gets into the play, pinches that ball away. Fantastic work there by Juan Zavaleta. Look at him. There they come, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together right in front of you in the grandstand. It is Daniel Otamendi and Juan. Daniel goes for a backhander. Takes a beautiful tail backhander. Who's there to capitalize? It is Ramiro. Picks it up, anticipates really well. He knows 2 players ahead. He positions himself smartly. Picks up the ball. Once again, it is Ramiro. Taking the spot. He decides to take a tap. He's got Siddhant Sharma there waiting for him. Alejo looks up to his forwards. Forwards in position, waiting for the pass. Nice release to Savai Padmanabh Singh. Savai Padmanabh Singh on a dark bay pony, raising his mallet. It's Juan Zavaleta. Gets the better of him this time. Picked up beautifully. Look, these brothers combine exceedingly well. Ramiro picks up, he anticipates, he exactly knows where his ball is going to pass, he positions himself there. Look at that, once again, the pass to Juan, bouncing ball, raising his mallet. Intercept, and the ball goes wide and out of play. Alejo, a fantastic shot there. Ladies and gentlemen, the ball has come towards the grandstand. Put your hands together. Here is Samay Padmanabh Singh. He's waiting for his forwards. What a fantastic release there by Samay Padmanabh Singh. And it is Alejo firing all cylinders. He's going hell for leather for that ball. Picks it up and he scores. Jaipur Achievers in Devers. Ball from the throw-in, picked up once again by Juan Zavaleta. He wants to return that favour, it seems. Look at that lovely grey opening up. Juan heading towards the baseline, checks his pony, wants to keep the ball in the fray. And we have the umpire's whistle on the play. Alejo Aramburu, look at that ball. He will put many a golfer to shame. Releases the ball and it lands right in front of the goal mouth. Unfortunately, none of the forwards there to capitalize, and it is now Juan Zavaleta. Juan once again picks it up. Juan bouncing ball, picks it up. Alejo there, right hard into him. Both the Argentines are strong horsemen. What a fantastic release once again. The ball is travelling all the way. Taken by Ramiro. Ramiro releases the ball. Good anticipation there by Alejo. Alejo positions himself there. He knows Juan, if he's let loose with that ball, he will gallop and score. So Alejo is always there to shut the back door. Alejo next to the scoreboards. Who is there to back him up? Samay Padmanabh Singh comes closer. They will quickly exchange notes and make a play. Alejo overrides, picked up nicely. Hooter gone, 30 seconds of play left. It's Daniel Otamendi who knows that Juan can be dangerous. Daniel Otamendi positions himself in between Juan and the ball and takes a cracking backhander on the near side. Extremely difficult shot to execute. Executed really well. It is Siddhant onto the ball now. Pratap is onto the ball. No, it's Samay Padmanabh Singh pinches it away on the near side. Nice pass to Alejo. And there goes the second. Pratap onto the ball. Now it is Siddhant. Siddhant loses control. It is Alejo onto the ball. Alejo and Danny. All of them playing hockey in that melee. Ramiro takes a cracking backhander. Puts the ball out. And a nice backhander once again by Daniel Otamendi into the fray. Quick to get onto the ball is Alejo. No, it is Ramiro. Ramiro releases first time to Siddhant. Siddhant coming towards his grandstand, ladies and gentlemen. Take a closer look at the players. Look at them gallop. They're waiting. They're playing chess on horseback. Moves after moves, and now releases bouncing ball. Unfortunately miscued by both the players, and it's Ramiro. Checks his body, picks up the ball. Ramiro Zavaleta with the ball. Ramiro now, he's being backed by Siddhant. Ramiro releases, nice release. Look at the anticipation by Alejo. Ball goes there. Quick to get onto the ball as Juan stays there. Alejo onto the ball, changing the pace once again. Comes in front of his goal mouth. He leans out and picks up the ball from such great distances. And strikes, scores. Alejo is Singh is there, so is Alejo. Danny waits at a distance of 40-50 yards and Pratap wants to break loose and get away. Alejo releases to Samay Padmanabh, bouncing ball, doesn't quite get the shot he wanted, and Juan Zavaleta onto the ball. Releases, doesn't quite get the shot he wanted, and Juan anticipates, turns, taps. Now he's waiting for his forwards to get into position. Siddhant is just there, but bouncing ball miscued. Ramiro comes from behind, and Daniel Otamendi is also there. That could have been close, but it is now. Juan once again picks it up nicely. Juan and Alejo ride hard into each other. Nice backhander there by Samay Padmanabh. Ball sitting there. Ramiro anticipates, stays deep and picks up the ball. Good work there by Ramiro. Ball still with him. In possession of the ball is Ramiro. Leaves it for Juan. Juan and Danny. Danny position. Aleo Arambru takes a whack towards the side. Quick to get onto the ball is Savai Padmanabh Singh. It is now Daniel Otamendi releases beautifully right in front of the grandstand. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. These players are galloping hard. Bouncing ball, miscued both players. Override Pratap, overrides one, overrides, and it is Aleo with the ball. Aleo punches it ahead. Aleo's got Naveen Jindal on his tail. Now bothering him. It is Ramiro takes a nice near side backhander, cracks it. Naveen Jindal puts it out of harm's way once again on a flat out gallop is Naveen Jindal now. The ball bounces off the side. Ramelli, ball thrown in. Quick to get onto the ball is Alejo. Risky work. Pinched that ball away towards the far side. Once again, picks it up. Now he has to get the approach shot all right. Leans on it, takes a tonka, and he scores. Ball thrown in. Ramelli right now. Daniel Otamendi onto the ball. Danny releases. First time the ball doesn't quite travel the distance he wanted. He wanted probably to pass and place it ahead, but Aleo anticipates, picks up. Look at him. Mid-air, picks it up once again. Look at that tap. Now he has to lean out and slice it. Fabulous effort. Bump into you. Ramiro brings the ball towards the grandstand. Ladies and gentlemen, remember the secret that I'll let you in case the players come closer to us. But Danny decides to put the ball away. Once again, look at the players checking in. He's Danny there. Danny picks it up on the near side. And both the brothers have had a little exchange of strategy. Ramiro leaves it and gallops ahead. And look at that. One releases first time to Ramiro. Ramiro's pony opening up like a racehorse. Aleo is there to spoil his party. Pinched it away from the center. Now Savai Padmanabh Singh is there. Savai Padmanabh picks up that ball. Ball stays there. Danny comes from behind. Danny wants to release it. First time releases. Who's quick to get onto the ball? It is now Huan and Savai Padmanabh going hell for leather for that ball. Huan wants to check. Take a backhander. No, he decides to turn. He's got nobody there to bother him. There comes Savai Padmanabh. Pinches the ball away. Fantastic work there by Savai Padmanabh Singh. He's got open field ahead of him. Easier said than done. Bouncing ball. Miscued. And it is Huan once again. He also misses, and it is now Daniel Otamendi. Danny picks up that ball. Danny in attack now. Daniel Otamendi ridden hard by Ramiro, and Danny scores! Great work. Nice backhander there by Daniel Otamendi. Quick to get onto the ball is Huan Zavaleta. Look at him, the way he makes the play look so simple, fabulous horsemanship, spectacular stick work. Ramiro is there. Quick to get onto the ball and shut the back door once again. There goes the first hooter. Ramiro onto the ball. 30 seconds of play left. Ramiro releases. Long pass. Who's there to optimize? It's Daniel Otamendi there. Looks back. Checks. Danny takes a cracking backhander. A nice one to Alejo. Alejo leans out. Wants to take a tap. Misses the first time. In the second swing gets it. Alejo onto the ball. He's been bothered there by Ramiro. Ramiro's a hard rider. Pratap wants to pinch that ball away. Nice backhander by Alejo. Quick to get onto the ball is Daniel Otamendi. Dying seconds of the fourth chakka. We come to the end of the fourth chakka. And it is 7 goals to 5. Ramelli right now. Quick to get onto the ball is Daniel Otamendi. Danny leans out, wants to take a tap. He's got Alejo ahead of him, but it is Huan who's making life miserable for him. Nice little pass to Alejo from the melee. Alejo picks it up. Alejo taking the ball towards the far side of the ground. Pratap Kanuta waits for that pass. Alejo still in possession of the ball. He's being backed up by Savai Padmanabh Singh. Nice release there. But the ball rolls over. Releases. The ball to brother Huan towards the far side. Alejo is there to bother him. Huan still in possession of the ball. Leaves it smartly for Siddhant Sharma. Takes Alejo aside. Siddhant overrides, unfortunately. Quick to get onto the ball once again is Siddhant with a cracking backhander. That one. That was Alejo. Look at his forwards getting into position. Releases the ball. Fantastic shot there by Alejo. Ramiro anticipated, positions himself there and takes a backhander right in front of the goal mouth. Excellent save there by Ramiro. What fabulous stick work, hand-eye coordination, phenomenal. saved the day for the Jindal Panthers, but it is now Savai Padmanabh in attack. Savai Padmanabh miscues a little, and it is Daniel Otamendi onto the ball. Danny taps. Danny's got Pratap ahead of him. Danny in possession of the ball is Daniel Otamendi, and it is now Siddhant Sharma pinches the ball away. Siddhant changing the face of the game of Siddhant. Overrides, and it is now Savai Padmanabh once again. Checks his pony. Savai Padmanabh wants to be sure. He's got one of the opponents ahead of him. Now he opens up. Look at him going hell for leather for that goal. That is a strike. Unfortunate. Oh yes, that's a goal. Fantastic goal. In the melee right now. Quick to get onto the ball is Juan, but it is Alejo with a cracking backhander. Look at Ramiro. His anticipation is just another level. Positions himself 2 moves ahead, and now in possession of the ball. Releases it to Juan. Juan has got the ball with him. He's got Naveenji waiting for that pass, but Alejo is in between to spoil everybody's party. Does he do it effectively? Almost. And it is now Siddhant. Nice release there. What a lovely pass. Alejo knew just what's going to happen. Look at both these players battling hard. They're in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together. Look at these RGs making life miserable for each other. Outstanding players. One a 6-goal player. The other a 7-goal player. Leaves it smartly for Ramiro. Unfortunately, the horse doesn't quite positions himself for Ramiro to execute that shot. But we got to witness something really classy there. Ramiro leaves it for Juan now in possession of the ball. Juan takes it further. Alejo making life miserable for everybody. Who's quick to check? It's Ramiro now. Ramiro checks. Alejo waits. Ramiro releases. What a tonker towards the goal. Will it go past? Unfortunately, misses it by taking the hit in. Alejo still in possession of the ball. Releases it nicely to Savai Padmanabh Singh, who grabs it. Savai Padmanabh playing hockey on horseback. He is now wristy. Still got the ball. Opponents making life miserable for him. Ramiro pinches it away. Ramiro goes for a backhander. Ball stays there. It's Daniel Otamendi onto the neck of that horse. Takes it. He goes high and mighty. The goal coming from Juan, a player of that caliber. It's never easy, ladies and gentlemen. It's so easy to sit here and talk. It's so difficult to execute whatever these outstanding players are doing on the ground. Picks it up on the near side. Savai Padmanabh Singh now opening up. Savai Padmanabh on the near side. He's got Juan, a 7-goal player bothering him. Savai Padmanabh still in possession of the ball. Very, very difficult shots to execute. He's doing just fine. And it is now Pratap Kanota who gets into position. Back him up. Pratap with the ball. Pratap still tapping. He's going hell for leather for the Jindal goal. Attempts under the belly. It is Daniel Otamendi who comes to the rescue. Ball still there. Juan backs it to Ramiro. Ramiro in front of the goal mouth. He's all by himself. Ramiro Zavaleta now picks up that ball. Miscues it. None of the striped t-shirts there. So good for him. And he brings the ball towards the stands. Now comes Alejo. Alejo picks it up. Alejo in possession of the ball. No, it is Ramiro still. Ramiro releases to Juan. Before that is Naveen Jindal. Bouncing ball, miscued. Juan puts it ahead of him once again. Look at the players gallop hard. And it is Juan now. Juan once again takes a lovely shot. The ball is towards the far side of the ground. Nicely put in. Siddhant Sharma is onto the ball. Siddhant tapping now. Siddhant Sharma onto the ball. He's got Daniel Otamendi there to trouble him. Siddhant with the ball once again. Still possession of the ball. Picks it up on the near side. Goes over the back line and out of play. With that ball, look at Alejo, ladies and gentlemen, right in front of the goal mouth. Alejo for Jaipur Achievers. Doesn't quite miss. Daniel Otamendi and Siddhant battle hard, and it is Savai Padmanabh Singh picks up the ball, releases a fantastic pass there to Alejo. Alejo is heading for the Jindal Panther goal. He's got Naveen Jindal there to bother him, takes a strike, doesn't quite cut it. Nice backhander there by Alejo. Quick to get onto the ball is Siddhant, takes a beautiful backhander, nice open backhander there by Siddhant, and it is now Juan. Checks. Juan playing hockey on horseback. At will he positions himself and places that ball. It's Savai Padmanabh Singh now. Savai Padmanabh Singh goes for an effective backhander, stalls the ball for Danny. Danny takes a cracker. Who's coming from behind? It's Alejo. Alejo picks up the ball, changing the pace of the strikes dead center, bisecting. Ramiro pinches that ball away. Ramiro now going towards the scoreboard side. He's got Savai Padmanabh there. Aleo pinches that ball away. Nice work there by Aleo. Aleo Aramburu in attack now. Picks up that ball. Miscues a little ball lying next to the sideboards. Who's quick to get onto the ball? Everybody overrides it seems. No, it's Dan Lotamendi now. Quick to get into position. Takes a backhander. Nice little backhander there by Dan Lotamendi. Quick to pick it up is Aleo on the near side. The correct position to identify. It is now Juan with the ball. Juan leaves it smartly once again for Ramiro. Ramiro punches it ahead. Backhander attempted by Pratap. Unfortunately doesn't get the ball he wanted, and it is now Juan in attack. Juan leans out, takes a tap, and he scores. Outstanding work there by Juan. India Open Finals. What a phenomenal game it's turning out to be. It is now Savai Padmanabh Singh in attack. Bouncing ball. He is moving his mallet like a fan. He's still in possession of the ball. Relentless and determined. Pratap comes and pushes the ball ahead. He's got Juan there. Juan goes for a backhander. A nice tail backhander. Pratap anticipates. Gets onto the ball. He's being bothered there by Siddhant. Siddhant gets the better of him. Pinches the ball away. Aleo is there. So is Siddhant. The ball right next to the sideboards. Aleo now picks it up on the near side. Look at him. Offside. Near side. He does it with such phenomenal ease. Aleo still in possession of the ball. Look at the players making life miserable for him. Naveen Jindal wants to hook him. So does Siddharth, and he releases. The ball goes high and mighty. Hidden, taken by the Jindal Panther team. So that was not a goal, ladies and gentlemen. The ball probably had gone a little sideways, and it is Jindal Panther in attack. Look at that lovely release from Juan, and it is now Ramiro opening up, going hell for leather. He's got Savai Padmanabh Singh on his tail. Ramiro goes hell for leather for the Jaipur Achievers goal. Savai Padmanabh Singh there to save the day. Strikes, the ball stays there, unfortunately goes through, and it is indeed exciting. Ball thrown in, quick to get onto the ball is Savai Padmanabh Singh. Strikes, Savai Padmanabh. Takes the ball towards the far end. He's got Juan there. Juan picks it up, takes it further towards his own side. He must have had a strategy in mind. He now takes a backhander to Ramiro. Ramiro picks it up. Ramiro. These brothers are playing merry hell. Hits Daniel's pony, stays there. Alejo comes in between. Alejo intercepts. Alejo with the ball. Alejo. Onto the ball is Alejo. He's got Danny waiting for him. Juan right in front of him. Aleo stands and releases. A lovely release there by Aleo. The ball is towards the Jindal Panther goal. Dan Lotamendi strikes. Ball still stays there. Savai Padmanabh is there, but it is Juan Zavaleta on a breakneck speed. Comes and puts the ball out arm's way. Dan Lotamendi onto the ball. Ball very close to the sideboards. Dan Lotamendi on the ball. It is now Aleo asking everybody to move up. Aleo releases. Lovely pass to Dan Lotamendi. Danny in attack. Danny going hell for leather. In front of the goal mouth, unfortunately. Miscues it a little. One reaches from the far side. He quickly gets onto the ball. In possession of the ball. Players are going away from him. Dan Lotamendi waits patiently. Dan Lotamendi knows Juan, if left alone, can be devastating. Now Danny comes for a backhander. What a phenomenal backhander. Quick to get onto the ball is Ramiro, but so is Savai Padmanabh Singh there. Savai Padmanabh intercepts. Siddhant picks up the ball. Alejo behind him. Siddhant leans out, picks up the ball. Alejo wanting to hook him. Siddhant on the near side. Nice bit of work there by Alejo. Asked for a more exciting and interesting final. Juan strikes and he's them. The clock's ticking. Players waiting for that throw in. Ball thrown in. Quick to get on the ball is Naveen Jindal. Naveen Jindal carries the ball away. And we have the hooter, ladies and gentlemen. We come to the end of BMC Advisors Northern India Open with Jindal Panther clinching victory.